National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Fairfax County in northern Virginia, South Central Loudoun County in northern Virginia, Prince William County in northern Virginia, until 8:15 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Centerville, Bull Run, Sudley, Catharpin, Woolsey. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Sterling,